Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change the orientation of your connector. So we're going to go from a 12 o'clock to a 9 o'clock orientation. Looking at it from the back of the connector, we got 12 and then 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this about 3 turns, still holding it in place with my thumb just so it doesn't fall apart. And so you've got it just loose enough. You should be able to turn it and everything will turn together. So I've got my 9 o'clock angle. Okay, so from here I've got my angle where I want it, and again I'll hold it in place with my thumb. I'll get my wrench counterclockwise to tighten it. A couple turns. And sometimes it'll give a little bit and you just kind of twist it back to where you needed it. You'll feel it click into place. So again, I've got that tightened in and it's not going anywhere. One little twist to tighten it all the way. And that completes the orientation change.